Hey everyone, Natural Prepper coming at you with another quick video. This is just going to be a short one, just a reminder. Fall's upon us. It's a good time to kind of go through those bug out bags and get home bags. Replace some of the expired food with fresh food items that you and your family will enjoy eating. I did that just today. I went through my wife's car, my car, and replaced some of the food items. This is some of the stuff we carry in our bag. We have, some dried fruits. We have some cranberries. I left the bananas in there. They're still good. We have some, peanut butter crackers, some cheese crackers. Those are expired, but they are very recently expired. I think we're going to go ahead and eat those. This expired in June, but it was vacuum sealed, so it's probably still okay. We're gonna go ahead and see what it's like anyway. Do have some old MRE peanut butter and bread. It's probably fine. I'm just gonna go ahead and switch it out. We carry these pasta sides, rice sides, just as an option to have a hot meal in the car. We can replace them every year, and that's what we do. They're only $1, so it's not a big expense. We also have some mixed nuts. These are not expired, but they're on their way out, so I replaced them with some peanuts that are good until I think 2023, mid 2023. So they're good for a year and a half. I vacuum sealed those to get an extra little bit of life out of them. I live in Ohio, so we have some heat, we have some humidity. We also have some very cold months, but I do park in a garage. So we're protected from a lot of the really cold and the really hot. So just want to give you guys a reminder. It's a good time to update those car preps. Stay safe, guys. God bless.